sister may join if she is free. Please call someone with you, everyone. All right. So are we all set?
Yeah.
Divyansh, Aryan, Reyansh, please call someone with you. Aryan, like so much darkness is coming on your face. You sit somewhere in the bright room or turn on the tube light. Fine, better. So who will be going first? Please call someone with you. Okay, just waiting for Reyansh. Hello, ma'am. How are you? Hi, Muddabir. Hello, ma'am. Hi, Muddabir. How are you? What is that? I can't understand. What is it? Manya, your video is stuck. It's freezed. Hello, ma'am. How are you? Reyansh, ma'am. Hello. Muddabir, will your mother be able to attend this session with us? Please call her. Hi, Divyansh. Is there someone with you? Mother, father, or any person, any elder?
How are you? Are you able to hear me?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. You are perfectly audible.
Ma'am, who will be showing the project first?
Yeah. So let's decide the order, guys. Who will be going first?
Ma'am, can I?
Yeah, of course you may. Sure, you may.
I will go at the last.
You go at the last. Why so? You have prepared something special for us. You will go in the last. Then that's fine.
Always I go to this time also last.
What?
Ma'am, take Reyansh first because he has.
Yeah. Right. Sure, ma'am. So Reyansh will be presenting first, and then we can decide the order. Okay, Araf, can you come here with us on camera?
And can I be the second then?
All right, sure. Let's Reyansh will go first, and then whosoever will take the lead can attend. Okay, so hi, good evening, everyone. Good evening, parents. So here, these young coders will be presenting their project. So whatever they have learned so far, something out of their own creation, they will be presenting today. So, and in the end, I would request you all to share your valuable feedback with us, like how was their course journey, some viewpoints, so that we can also improve with those feedbacks. All right, Reyansh, you may first introduce yourself and then you may show your presentation. Reyansh, you are not audible.
Ma'am, can I ask one thing?
Yeah, please.
Ma'am, I am asking that after we have shown the project, can we leave?
Sure. Yeah, Reyansh.
I have to introduce myself.
Yeah, first you please introduce yourself. Because like you all are you are all from miscellaneous batches. So you should introduce yourself so that your fellow mates will come to know you.
My name is Diansh.
Yeah.
I'm 10 years old.
You are 10 years old. You are looking nervous. What happened? Smile. Give a smile first. Nice. Now, what is your project? What have you made?
catching something, it will take up down score, and lies will get up with something and down.
All right. So basically, it is a catching game. The objects will be falling from the top, and there will be something at the bottom which will be catching the objects. Is it? All right. Please share your screen and show. Yeah, take us to the full screen.
With strawberry, it will make a live up. With ghost, it will take a live. And
Okay, with the strawberry and apple +1 lives. No, score will increase. And with ghost, the lives will decrease. Is it? Okay, and you also added a timer to play your game. Perfect. So what are these orange color things on the top called? Variables. Nice. And how these like objects are falling? Which block is helping them to fall down?
change X.
X. Change Y. Y is the vertical axis. So change Y by negative number will make them fall down. And how are you controlling this bowl?
Left, it will go left, and with right key, it will go right.
It will go right. Perfect. Very nice. Anyone from the audience wants to play Riyan's game? Anyone want to beat his score?
I have one more game.
You have one more game. Please show us. No Wi-Fi. Yeah, I got it. The T-Rex game. Nice.
Also increase.
Score is increasing. Oh, out. You got busy in talk with us and you got out. Nice, nice. Can we have applause, everyone, for Riyansh? Good job, Riyansh. Very nice. Very impressive. You may stop your screen share. All right. Divyansh, would you like to go next?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. We will be needing your introduction first.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Divyansh Agarwal. I am 11 years old. I am studying in DPS, Rajkot.
And what have you made?
Ma'am, I have made smart counter.
So, okay. Will you be doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Nice. Exercise
Can I
time.
start?
Yeah, please. Okay,
That's
wait, Divyansh. First, you turn off your Zoom camera. Otherwise, it will give you error.
Ma'am, can I start?
Ma'am,
Okay, he's on phone. Okay, yeah. You may start. You may start. Yeah, please start your exercise time.
No, ma'am. I have joined from 2 devices.
Yeah, I got it. You are like, we can see you from phone. Fine. Please start your project.
See, ma'am, it is counting our squares.
Ah, nice. It's calculating your squats.
So, I have done 3 squats in this count.
Yeah, keep on doing it. How many squats you can do, Divyansh, at a time?
Ma'am, like
10. Aryan, how many squats you can do at a time?
Ma'am, like how much we want?
No, I'm generally asking, like, how many squats you can do, how much strength you have?
Ma'am, 20.
20. Okay, Aryan, you? How many squats you can do? Muddabir, Arav, How many squats you can do at a time?
Ma'am, 10 to 15.
10, 20. Nice. All right, perfect. So Divyansh, would you explain your project, like what exactly you have used, how Toby can see you and how can it calculate?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we have used machine learning.
Okay, you have used machine learning. You have used machine learning in this.
I have done it from a website teaching.
Okay, teachable machine. You might have trained your data first, and then you
Yes,
are
ma'am.
using that data
We
here.
have to. Yes, ma'am. We have to train our data. Then I have done if I change my current position, if I change my previous position to current position, it will count it one.
Nice.
Then my previous position is this, and this, current position is like this. So it counts one square.
Got it. Got it. I got the logic. Very nice, Divyansh. In fact, it's a useful project.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Very nice. Can we have applause for Divyansh, everyone? Good job,
Thank you,
Divyansh.
ma'am.
Very nice project. You may stop your screen share.
Can I leave?
Yeah, please. If you have some engagement, you may leave, please. Yeah, Manya. Will you be going next? Manya, if you may call your mother or father, anyone who can attend the session with us. Manya, you are not audible. Okay, okay. You may share. First, you introduce yourself, and please be a bit louder. You can bring this mic near to your mouth.
Hello everyone, I am Manya Mehta and I study in grade 6 of Normal School Jalandhar. Today I have made an app of shopping list. So let me share the screen and show you. So can you see the screen?
Yeah, Manya, it's perfectly visible. So you have designed an app. What is it all about?
It is about shopping. So let's move on to the project. So now we can choose a girl or a boy. So I'm a girl, I'm going to choose a girl. Then what I want to buy, it could be groceries or clothes. So I'm going to choose clothes. So I have the clothes which girls wear. So I'm going to choose some of the items. Then I clicked on your cart. It took us to my cart, the items which I've added. Then we'll see the final list. So here's the final list which I selected. Let me show you the boys' items as well. So I'm going to choose groceries this time. There are a bit more options than clothes in this. So here, your cart. Then let's see the number of items in my cart. So here I have the items which I think. And when this project will be uploaded on Play Store, I hope you enjoy shopping on that app. Thank you.
Of course, of course. Manya, if you may show the icon also, what icon you have added? Your
Ma'am,
app?
can you please repeat?
Yeah, I'm saying if you can please show us the icon, what icon you have added with your app.
Yes.
It will be easy for us to search your app on the Play Store. And what's the name of your app? Please tell everything.
Actually, I haven't uploaded it right now.
Okay,
So
okay.
it will be done in.
So what is the name of your app?
It's shopping list.
Shopping list. Okay. All right. We will definitely be installing.
Thank you,
All
ma'am.
right. All right. Perfect. Can we have applause, everyone? Good job, Manya. Well done. Keep it up. All right. Muddubir, would you like to go now?
Yes, ma'am.
Please introduce yourself first.
My name is Mudabbir Zaki. I study in Karangalam World School. I'm in 8th standard. Ma'am, I have the app on the other phone. Can I join from the other phone?
Yeah, please do.
Okay, ma'am. I have made the MS Paint. I've added 4 colors, and this eraser, like if I choose yellow color, so it will make small. It will be in the circle shape. The line will be in circle shape.
Okay.
And if I click on the eraser, and then I'll do so, it will make my screen white when I
Yeah.
drag my thumb. And if I choose, then if I have green, orange, and I clear, and when I click that clear, so it made my whole canvas to in the white color.
Got it. And what is that fill button for?
Ma'am, fill button, ma'am, like there is an error. I cannot choose this option. I don't know. I'll ask the sir.
Okay, yeah, sure. Or either after the presentation, you may share your coding screen to me. I'll help you. Okay,
Okay,
after
ma'am.
the presentation. All right, perfect. It's very nice app. In fact, we are already using it. Like many times, we doodle something on our phone. It's something related to that only. Very nice, useful app. Can we have applause, everyone, for Muddabir? Please join on camera, everyone. Please join on camera. Aryan, yeah, good job, Muddabir. Very nice, very impressive.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right, Arav, your turn.
Hello everyone, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am. I am Arav. I'm 10 years old and I study in 6th E. I have made a project which is the solution of today's time coronavirus. Ma'am, so it is advised by WHO to maintain healthy sanitization habits and all. But ma'am, but the main problem is the way we do it. Ma'am, it's the physical touch. The container in which the sanitizer is ma'am there. So if it is touched by ma'am infected hands, so it can spread the infection to the next person.
Right.
Ma'am, so I have made this project to solve that problem. Ma'am, it's an automatic sanitizer.
Nice.
Ma'am, if I put my hand here, ma'am, it will dispense the sanitizer and I can sanitize my hand without touching it.
Great. Very useful project. So what all sensors you have added and how that water is dispensing out?
I have used an IR sensor that if it detects anything in front of it, so it will give a signal to the water and it will dispense the water.
Very nice. Can you show the activity once again?
Yes, ma'am.
Nice. Very nice. In fact, very useful. Are you using it at your home? You may keep it at your door. So everyone, like whosoever is coming, can dispense. Very nice, very impressive. Very useful, in fact, for today's time. Good job, Arav. Can we have applause, everyone? Good job. All right, Aryan, your turn.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Aryan. Today I am going to show my capstone project. My project name is Game of Brain. Now I am going to show you my project.
Game of brain.
Yes.
Do you want to play this game with us?
Yeah.
Okay, we will try.
There are math quiz, calculator or age calculator. In maths, we will do math sums, mental math sums.
Okay.
In quiz, we will do quiz questions.
GK related. GK related questions.
Yeah.
Okay.
Later we can calculate anything. If
So
we
you can
want,
calculate anything. And age calculator will tell you your age.
yeah.
All right. I want to go with maths, mental maths.
There is the question. Can you
0
read?
is the answer. 0.
If we will click the wrong one, it will come the red.
Oh, okay. But okay, Aryan, I guess like you can change something here. If like I already gave the correct answer, so now you are not supposed to click the wrong one.
Yeah.
ऐसा कर सकते हैं कि एक बार एक आंसर दे दिया, करेक्ट दे दिया, तो आप वो रॉन्ग को प्रेस नहीं कर पाए. You need to do something in your coding.
Okay. I will.
Yeah, so it's 160.
160.
160, the first one.
Yeah, it's right answer. Is it?
Anybody else wants to play? Muddabir, would you like to answer? Arav?
Ma'am, the
Yes,
answer is
ma'am.
1.
Ma'am, 1.
1.
1.
Yeah, the first one.
Right. Right. Now?
15.
Yeah, again the first one. Why all the first answers are correct? Next question.
I have.
Again the first one.
30.
Then come the main screen. Now what do you want to play?
Calculator.
What do you want to calculate?
So have you made your screen orientation landscape? Why not the portrait?
I can make both sides.
Acha, okay. So it's auto rotate. I thought from the MIT you have made your screen landscape. Okay. Yeah, so let's say what is, do we have square root? What all operations do we have here? Okay. So can we have 8.5 multiply by 6?
What?
8.5 multiply by 6. 8.5 multiply 6. No, actually 6 is joint. It's not somehow taking multiply. Show me the plus one. Any operation.
But it is something.
Yeah, the error is coming. Something is wrong with the coding. Error is there. Something is wrong with the coding. Need to check.
Runtime error is coming.
Runtime error is coming. That means arguments which you have added in your coding, that the operator is not accepting. Need to check the coding once. Can we go back to show the other thing, age calculator?
Go to it. The button.
Yeah. So, okay, you write calculate your age.
And I have to calculate. If I want to calculate my age, this is 21. Fab. Yeah. This current date. This date is this. And your age. The right age is coming.
10 years, 4 months, 2 days. It's like that, right?
Now say me your birth year.
Okay, mine is 2nd December 1993.
Second,
December 1993.
1990.
बस हाँ ठीक है. Yeah, this is today's. Oops, I'm 28 years.
28 years, 6 months, 17 days.
Nice. Perfect. So you revealed my age to everyone. Very bad. Aaron, you revealed my age to everyone.
Please say the quiz.
I can answer that. It's 11.
It's not only 1 month. It will be
26. 6. I don't know that. Anyone wants to answer?
I'm 5.
5. Let's go with 5. Oops.
answer.
6. Okay. That's easy. That's easy. CSK, the first one. Nice. Perfect. But little changes are in, if you do with your app, it's complete. Like everything is there in it. Everything related to maths, related to GK, everything is there. But a little change you need to do in the coding. Otherwise, your app is perfect. Can we see the icon? Have you installed it or you just live tested it? ये इंस्टॉल हो चुका है ऐप फोन में या सिर्फ कनेक्ट किया है? अच्छा कनेक्ट किया है. ओके, ऑल राइट, ठीक है, परफेक्ट, वेरी नाइस. कैन वी हैव applause for Aryan, everyone? Good job, Aryan. So can we all come here on Zoom? Okay, yeah, ma'am, if you may please give us some feedback. How was Aryan's journey with us? And have you seen some improvement in him?
Yeah, ma'am, definitely. He's doing well and he's enjoying a lot.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your feedback. Thank you so much for, in fact, attending the session with us, taking out the time. Thank you so much. Muddabir, are you, is your mother there?
No, ma'am, she's gone somewhere.
All right. So, guys, have you enjoyed your time with us? Muddabir, any feedback you
Yes,
want to
ma'am.
give? Anything you want to say?
Yes, ma'am, the class was very good. I enjoyed it very much.
Thank you so much. Arav, anything from your side? Would you like to say something?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I learned many things from the class.
So guys, don't stop the learning here, right? You know now the fundamentals of coding, so do create something different and share with us. All right, whatever new you make, whatever it is, apart from the dashboard also, just keep on practicing everything, whatever you have learned. Don't leave the practice. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So good job, good luck. Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Ma'am, are you helping me with the coding?
Yeah, please share your screen.